If you came to party, if you came to party, if you came to get down tonight, get down tonight, we going live tonight, live from the NextSoundStudio, Trying to party and celebrate life. Tune in the NextSoundStudio tonight. It's live at 8 with the hottest in the state. So tell a friend you wanna take them out of space so they can unplug to a new level with different artists who take it to a new level. And you never know what you gon' get. You might get rock or you might get rap. You might get R&B with the boom bap. You might get a band or you might wanna dance bachata. I just know every week's gonna be a chaka.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to Live from NextSoundStudio, where we are connecting you, the fan, with your favorite indie music artists through dialogue on what their lyrics really mean. I am your host, Nequasia. I hope you're following, and want to first thank everyone for tuning in. Let's give it up for ourselves. I'm so proud of you. Woo! Now, it is my pleasure to introduce tonight's featured artist, SHAQ HESTER. This singer, actor, and creator was born in Paterson, New Jersey, and later relocated to Sumter, South Carolina. Exposure to refined musicians at a young age would begin his relationship with music that would later be cultivated to a love of all theater arts. Continuing to hone his craft on the collegiate level, he attained his BA from the University of South Carolina, that's my sister, and later his master's from Indiana University Jacobs School of Music. Since moving back to New York, SHAQ has performed as a featured vocalist off-Broadway and provided background vocals for Tony Award-winning and Grammy-nominated artists. Currently working on his debut EP, Soft. I like that name. It's cute. I am excited to see what he will bring to us here live from NextSoundStudio. Here he is with our director to tell us the story behind some of the music that he chose to perform from his debut EP, Soft.
Here I am, Will B. Walker, sitting here with SHAQ HESTER. He's the man of the hour, here to talk to us a little bit about Wide Open. I know you talked about the storytelling capabilities. The song definitely has a start, middle, and an end. Just want to know a little bit where you were at mentally when you were writing that song.
In this particular song, I realized how much I was downing myself. I was realizing how much being a man means you can't show emotion, so therefore you don't really know how to love because you're so busy being a man. That should be falling in love or something like that. So it's funny how much of the masculinity complex is in complete contradiction with living a fulfilled life. And at the end, I'm like, you cleared my eyes, you gave me eye surgery, I can see clearly now. I'm wide open, open wide. Really trying to get to the point of saying, this is where I am. Now, what do you think? Now it's your turn. So, yeah.
So back to this Wide Open and the storytelling and the vulnerability. After you put your heart, basically put your heart on the words on the paper.
Because when you realize that you're more mature emotionally and that you're able to take more control of your life while still being vulnerable with yourself, you take care of yourself differently.
Many times I'm away from feelings, scared of hurt and pain. Too many times I played into infatuation, yeah, but heart was empty, quite merely a tin man, yeah. Nothing real, not too deep, not too wild, just protecting me. Walls put up, so closed off, just taking care of me. You changed that for me. You made me be. Oh, was so honest to a stranger before. But your soul, your vibe, your wisdom felt so secure. Yeah, reveal my truth to you. You never ran away. You understood, accepted me, so I had to stay. A haven, a safe space, you held that for me. Oh, warm heart, such patience, my serenity. You held that for me. Said you made me be wide open for the first time. Wide open, body, soul, and mind. Wide open, yeah, wanting to be yours. Wide open, and you to be mine. I'm wide open, open wide. I'm wide open, open wide. I couldn't see myself from the trees, I was so blind. But you gave me surgery for my eyes, now I am found. I'm wide open, open wide. I'm wide open, open wide. I'm so wide open, open wide. Open
Yes! Let's give it up for SHAQ once more. Can't wait to hear more later. And if you are watching and would like to be a part of this amazing movement too, send your music links to NextSoundStudio@gmail.com or DM NextSoundStudio on Instagram. Now, let's take it to Will and SHAQ to hear the story behind Self-Care Saturday.
Speaking, like we said earlier, we're going to talk about Self-Care Saturday. Let's talk about some of the lyrics and where you were at when you wrote Self-Care Saturday and what it's like to perform this song now.
Child, Self-Care Saturday is very much of a mantra song, I would say. It's that type of song where it was a Saturday, and I said, okay, what do I need to do today to get myself right for the next week? What do I need to do today so I can enter into relationships not being so dang needy? What do I need to give to myself so I can pour from a full cup? And this song happened. I went to the basement because that's my place where I am capable of thinking more clearly. And I went lyric by lyric thinking about what would the next part of this song mean. And it was funny because there's a certain part, restart, refresh, press, play. And if you think about the moments I talk about in the song, the first verse talks about kind of restarting because you wake up, you try to focus your mind, you try to meditate. That's a way of restarting. Refreshing, condition your hair, look in the mirror, say things that will refresh your spirit and restart your spirit in many different ways. And then pressing play because
go.
But no, press the actual radio station so you can listen to good music that makes you be in the right mindset. Because don't you need a playlist before you leave the house? No, I'm just kidding. But you kind of need a sort of playlist to get yourself in the right mood, whether it's Kem or Layla Hathaway or Earth, Wind, and Fire. So it kind of played with all of those elements that I personally need for myself. All those personal ways I need to work on my self-care Saturday. And that's one of the ways I worked on it.
Well, perfect. Here he is performing Self-Care Saturday right here live, NextSoundStudio.
Self-care restart, refresh, press play. Vitamin D gives full body snooze. Said vitamin B gives me energy boost. Said I need vitamin B. I ain't no one-way street. Empty cups leave none to pour. No compromises no more. It took me so long to say SHAQ is me and I am baby, baby, baby. Taking time to embrace myself, wash my face, condition myself. Speaking love to SHAQ, the miracle, you're wonderfully made and beautiful. Self-care Saturday, we restart, refresh, press play. Our vitamin D gives full body snooze. Said vitamin B gives me energy boost. Yeah, I need vitamin B. I ain't no one-way street. Empty cups leave none to pour. No compromises anymore. Took me so long to say SHAQ is me and I am babe. Finding ways to clear my old soul. Kiss the sun and let the music flow. Spin around, drop it low and let it go. We release for space to grow. Self-care Saturday. Restart, refresh, press play. Vitamin D gives full body snooze. Said vitamin B gives me energy boost. Yeah. Said I need vitamin B. I ain't no one-way street. Empty cups leave none to pour. No compromises anymore. It took me so long to say SHAQ is me and I am babe. Self-care Saturday. Restart, refresh, press play, press play.
Oh, okay now. I'm gonna need me some self-care Saturday too. You know, put my feet up, get my nails done. Before we go any further, we have to thank NextSoundStudio for their platforms and allowing independent artists to showcase their amazing talent. So thank you so much, guys. And also check out NextSoundStudio NYC on YouTube for exclusive performances from all of the artists that you see here. And make sure you subscribe. I'm tired of y'all looking at the button and don't subscribe. But before we close out the show with another one of his metaphoric melodies, let's take it to our director's cut and find out the story behind this one. As always, it's been my pleasure. So y'all be sure to tell somebody else. Come on, somebody, to meet us back here next week. You don't want to miss out. And if you enjoyed the music that you heard tonight, be sure to check out his full debut EP, Soft, available now on all music streaming platforms.
New York City, New York City. New York City.
New York. Are y'all ready for this? Come on, come on, come on.
New York City. I'm going back to the NYC.
I'm gonna take you back to NYC. I've been to a million other places, but they still my streets.
New York City. I'm going
street smart, headstrong, never weak.
That's several times before. In addition to Soft being the name of the whole project, it's also a name of a single on the project. So let's talk a little bit about Soft and the lyrics behind Soft and what it's like to perform that song.
It's being the most recent song. It is emotionally, I'm still in this place. I am still hoping that this love will last forever. I am still in a place of wanting to learn how to love softer and to be okay that it's moving slow and be okay that it feels familiar, yet I don't know what I'm doing.
I think the fact that you write in metaphor, you can just get this metaphor of life being soft and you get it.
It's the way the brain works. I can't. Like I tell you, y'all are helping me because you asked the question, I'm going to find an answer and it's going to be true.
Here he is performing Soft right here live NextSoundStudio. Be sure to check him out. Also be sure to check out his EP, Soft, on all music streaming platforms.
Holding you, I feel my heart scream out loud. Stay here as I figure it out. I tell myself, don't move, stay here. I'm too far gone to turn back around. This love is full grown, it can't be wrong. Don't know how this should come off. What is it about you? Guess it's deja vu in your heart. I'm home, it's warm, it's soft. Your lips and your firm hands surprise me, knocks me off of my feet now, baby. For me, it's that I'm his forehead kiss. This softness, you're geeked and smiling, thinking clear. You seem alright. See, I've ran from a good love before in my life. This love's full grown, it can't be wrong. Don't know how this should come off. What is it about you? Guess it's deja vu in your heart. I'm home, it's warm, it's soft. Your lips and your firm hands surprise me, knocks me off of my feet now, baby. For me, it's that I'm his forehead kiss. This softness, can we stay in this forever? I want it to last forever. Forever's what I need. Can we stay in this forever? I want it to last forever. Forever's what I need. This love is full grown, it can't be wrong. Don't know how this should come off. What is it about you? Guess it's deja vu in your heart. I'm home, it's warm, it's soft. Your lips and your firm hands surprise me, knocks me off of my feet now, baby. For me, it's that I'm his forehead kiss. This softness, can we stay in this forever? I want it to last forever. Forever's what I need. Can we stay in this forever? I want it to last forever. Forever's what I need. This love's full grown, it can't be that wrong. Don't know how this should come off. What is it about it's soft, your lips and your firm hands surprise me, knocks me off my feet now, baby. For me, that I miss forehead kiss, this softness, this sweet softness, this sweet softness is something about you, baby. Yeah, it's so damn sweet. It is so sweet. Oh, yeah. Makes me lose my mind. High on butterflies, I'm so high on you. I'm so high on you. Let's just be, yeah. Let's just be.
If you came to party, if you came to party, if you came to get down tonight, we going live tonight, live from the NextSoundStudio. If you came to party, if you came to party, if you came to get down tonight, we going live tonight, live from the NextSoundStudio.